Hey guys, AJ here, and welcome to the Warrior Plus video. I'm going to show you how to find the best offers and which offers to avoid, as well as this mathematical formula that you're going to want to follow when promoting products on the Warrior Plus. You don't just want to promote anything on the Warrior Plus just because you like it or if it looks cool. You want to make sure that you're actually following a mathematical formula. You follow the formula, you'll succeed. So let's get started. What we want to see is we want to see a high sale, somewhat high conversion rate, a high EPC, visitor value, a high average sale, and a low refund rate and a low pulse. So if we go back, see, I'm a few pages in. I like to go a few pages in always. So if I go show you really quick, if I go back to the previous, or if we just go affiliate offers, and I'll show you. It's like most of these are going to be in the hundreds. Yeah, see, pulse rate hundreds, which means you have tons of competition. So I'm requesting access to this, but I'm not going to promote it if I get approved. I'm going to wait until that goes down. So anything on this first page, I'm really not going to look at. And I did get approved for this one, but also waiting until this goes down. Scroll down. So this whole page, first page, I just skip it. I at least go to the second page. From the second page, see, now it's in the 6 pulse rate. That's great. So I would look at this. So like, for example, like this product, Viral Sosa Masters, it's got 2,000 sales, 15% conversion rate. It's got a 354 EPC, 2466 average sale, a low refund rate. It's below 12, below 10. So I'm going to look at it. And then we can look at the stats, which has got 2,000 sales, which is pretty cool. But if we look at the product funnel, this is okay. 17, I would not go any higher than 17 when promoting a product. But I would 75%, I don't like that. I would rather see 100% on the front end and then 50% for the rest of the funnel. But since it's close enough. But what we need to look at is down here. So if you look at the funnel, like this is the main sales page, the green. And if they say no, they go down to the downsell, right? But they have to say yes to get to the next upsell. And then if they say no to this upsell, they get to the downsell, so the bonus. But if they say no, they're just gone. They don't go anywhere. So I wouldn't promote this because I want this to say no to upsell and yes to upsell. So I want orange and blue to be pointing at the next process in the entire funnel. And if it's not doing that, then I don't even mess with it because it messes with the mathematical formula. So I'm going to skip this. And we're going to go back and we're going to look for something else. So I'm going to go to the next page. And I'm going to look around. So I got 11%, but that's only got 50 sales. So I wouldn't really look at this. I don't really look at the offers until I see the numbers. So this is pretty decent. 500 sales, 487, 75 average sale. But the refund rate's a little high for me. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. I'm going to scroll up. We've got Freedom Profits, 2,000 sales. Conversion rate's a little low, but that's okay. But this isn't okay. Anything under $1, I don't really like to mess with. I want to see the EPCs higher. But it does have a nice average sale and a low refund rate. So I might think about promoting this, but I mean, we can look at it really quick. I mean, his commission, it's okay. It's under 17. I like to see like a 495 or like a 995. Commission range is not too bad, but if this is the same guy, it's probably going to have that same flaw. Wouldn't call it flaw, it's just the way he likes to do it. So, but no, he says no to down and no and yes to upsell, so that's good. That's what you want to look for. You want to see the yellow, the orange, and the blue. So now it goes from the upsell, it says no, it goes to downsell 2, no, upsell 4. So you see what happens? No, boom, boom. They both have to go. So if it says yes or no, they're going to go to the next part of the process in the funnel. So that's why this is actually fairly decent. Yeah, this is fairly decent. I don't know why the EPC is so low. So I might try spillover traffic or like extra clicks or something going here just to see what would happen. But I don't know. Personally, I'm just going to skip this one. So I'm going to go, if we look up, I don't like Pinterest stuff. I want to look for like anything that's like make money. So rapid traffic suite, that's okay. Average high sale, let's look at income blast off. Nope, too little. We want to see 500 or more. Printly, this is by Brendan Mace. This is actually 5,000 sales, 7% conversion, $1.64. That's not bad. Average sales 24%. It's within that 12 to 10% range, so this is actually pretty good. So if I look at this, and this guy knows what he's doing, by the way. So yeah, he's below $17 for the front end. Commission range goes all the way up to $1,211.76. That's really good. So let's look at the products. So you get 100% commission on the front end. This is what I'm talking about. That's what you want to see. And then it's 50 all the way down. So if we look at the funnel, and he's done it right because he's Brendan, he knows what he's doing. So if they say no, they go to the downsell. If they say no, they go up to the license rights. Yes, they go up to their license rights. Same thing. If they say no, they get a 50% off. If they say no and yes, they go up to the coaching. And then if they say no, they get the digital coaching. So this is a perfect funnel. This is well done. This is something I would promote. Definitely. I would highly recommend promoting this. So one thing you want to do, like when you ask to promote a product, you don't just want to say, hey, can I promote this? You want to give them contact information. So you want to like say, hey, this is AJ. I want to promote your product to my list. My email is, give them their email. My Facebook profile URL is, give them that. And then say if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So like just click request approval and then put all of that information in here. So your email, your Facebook profile, why you want to promote it. And then if he has any questions to reach out to you, click request offer and then you're done. So you can move on. So let's look for another product. I'm going to, this stands out to me right away. 1,000 sales, CPA, so that's cost per action. It's basically just training on doing CPA marketing probably. So it's got 1,000 sales, it's 6% conversion rate, but the earnings per click is good. And it's got a high average sale. So if we look at this, let's take a look. So it's within that range, it's 17. I mean, the earnings is not like Brendan's, obviously. I mean, he can earn up to 1,000 something. This is only 125. But if you look at the products, she should be doing it right, but she's not. Nope. I wouldn't promote this simply because it's not showing no and yes going up to the next process of the funnel. So that's, to me, all this other stuff doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to skip that. You want to see a no and you want to see a yes, go to the very next step. So let's look at 1,000 plus Google My Business 2.0 PLR. Let's look at it's got a low refund, higher average, good EPC. It's a darn good conversion rate. Again, though, I'm not liking the commission range. It's a dollar above what I would recommend. But if we look at the products, maybe she's doing it right. Yep. So first thing is the upsell. No goes to the downsell. No and yes goes up. That's what you want to see. And then yes and no to the next. And then no to the next. So this one's okay. It's not as good, but it's got the yes and no's in there. So that's good. Plus it's got 100% commission. So always make sure that you have 100% commission on this front end. And then anything else after that is 50%. And then you preferably want to see this price be below $17. That's just what I would do. So, Rakin, here we go. 3,000 sales, 4% conversion rate, 90 cents. It's got a good average sale though, but the refund rate's too high. So I won't mess with this. I bet it did pretty darn well though, because it's by him, and yep, he's got the good ranges. I see. The price was a little too high, I think, on that. I would have gone a little lower. But he does give you 100%. It does do yes and no. So don't worry about this one saying yes and no, because this doesn't matter. So you want it to go from these two, skip these two, yes and no. Go here, or no goes here, and then no and yes goes up and then no goes here, and no and yes goes up, and then just follow that. Just so refer back to this video. So arbitrage underdog 5 point, 3,000 sales, 7% conversion rate, good EPC, very good at this. Refund rate is a little too high for me. That's basically 16 refunds per 1,000 or per 100. I don't like that, but even though I don't like it, I'm gonna click really quick because I know him. He does review videos. He's pretty cool. He just did a review video on that magnetized product. A little too high for me though. I don't want that. So scroll up, just keep looking through stuff until you find something. Like for example, this flipped. It's got 3,000 sales, good conversion rate. It's almost $1, 20 average sale, and it's below 12%. That's what we wanted. So if we look at flipped, and perfect, he's below $17. He's got a good commission range of up to a couple $100, so that's good. If we look at the actual products, 100%, perfect. Ooh, 100% and the light version 100%. That's freaking sweet. And then 50% from that point on. You skip these two, and then they, interesting. Flipped light. This should say no and yes. But the flipped OTO one says no, goes to the DS. Oh, I see. Okay. This one, don't look at this one. Look at the OTO, number 1. If they say no, they go to the OTO down sell. If they say no and yes, they go up to the OTO 2. And then if they say no, they go down to the down sell 2. No and yes, up. No, yes, no, yes. That's what you want to see. That's good. So I just got a little confused here. Sometimes charts mess with me. So this is really good. I would promote this. Just because it's got a good... Because the thing is, too, if you're going to promote this, if say you do a list building and you want to promote it, you can offer a bonus to your list to get this front end conversion rate a little higher, and then you just let the back end of this funnel do the work and make you even more money. That's a really cool way to make more money. So that's a product I'd promote, flipped. So scrolling down, let's keep looking. Let's go to the next page. This is where you're going to have a lot more results, because what happens is there's really no one promoting these. It's really low. So if you want to promote like the big 5, for example, insanely low refund rate, a good average sale, an awesome EPC, a 12% conversion rate. So if we look at this, oh man, everything was perfect until I saw this price range. That's done for me. I won't do it. This has to be below 17. Occasionally I'll go higher, but I want to see it below 17. It's easier to get people to buy, because once you get them to buy, they can go through the rest of the products and they can start getting all the other stuff. And plus, he kind of messed up here. That's 50% commission. I would want this to be 100%. He's got no yeses and nos. He has none of that. So I would not promote this. I don't even know why I looked at it, other than the EPC was pretty good. Fast cash 5%, 68, 15, 9%. So that's decent. I mean, it's pretty good, but I still want to see this EPC higher. So we're going to scroll up. EPC is higher. This is good. 9% conversion rate. Below 10 refund. Average sales high. But it's close. It was almost close to 17. I might do this because the average sale is high and the commission range is high. So let's just look at the funnel and see if they got... No. Oh, heck no. Yeah, look at that. 50%. That has to be 100. And I don't know why that's incongruent with what this is saying over here. Price range $19.95. Nope. He's got this part right. No and yes goes up. No and yes, no and yes. So at least he did that right. So you might be able to offer a bonus package or something that would convince people to buy this. So you have to look at the product and basically think, what kind of bonus can I offer to get that conversion rate higher? But honestly, I wouldn't even mess with it because I want to see something a little lower. These are all good. 3-step profit machine. 500 plus. Free email ramp agency. Nope. This looks okay. Oh, of course, it's done by the guy who knows what he's doing. $12.95. All at $1,500 range. That's perfect. Recurring payment also. And if you look here, oh yeah, 100%, 50 all the way down. That's perfect. And if you look at the funnel, no and yes, no and yes, no and yes. See, that's good. I would promote this. That's what you want to look for when you're finding offers to promote. So really, that's it. That's the formula that I would follow. And I wouldn't deviate from that. I would make sure that the sales are over 500. Conversion rate doesn't really matter so much. It's going to be the EPC and the average sale. I want to see anything over $17 for the average sale. I want to see anything over $1 for the EPC. And, you know, sometimes I'll promote something that's a little less, but that's rare. I want to see this higher. So like this multiplier one, I would definitely promote this. It's got a low refund rate. It's got an insanely average sale. Visitor value is badass. 6% conversion rate. 3,000 proven sales. So when you request this, you're going to want to give them your name, your email, your Facebook profile, any other way to contact you, Skype or whatever. And remember, you just click request and then you put that information in here and then you just hit request and then you're done. So that's it. That's how you find the offers that are actually going to make you money. And avoid the rest like the plague. You follow that mathematical formula and you will make money. You will see sales up here. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.